Hey, to record screen on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, all you have to do is just to swipe down from the status bar and find this screen recorder icon. If for some reason you don't have it right here, just swipe down and just swipe into the left side and take a look for this icon right here. Now just click on it. And from this, first of all, we can actually choose if you want to record sound. If you don't want to record sound, select this option. If you want to record internal sound from your phone, select media. But if you want to also record your microphone, select media and the microphone. Unfortunately, there's no way to record only the microphone. Next, you can show tabs and the touches on the screen. And after this, you can just start recording. You can skip this countdown, and now you can actually see that your screen is recording. This is actually this touches, so it is actually showing where exactly you click on the screen. When you tap on this icon, you can draw while recording, select something, whatever you want. You can change the color, the thickness of this brush, and also you can simply turn on the front camera. There we go. As you can see, it's recording the selfie camera. You can pause right here and finish by tapping here. Now, if you want to record all of your screenshots and records, go to the gallery, open albums, and select this one, the recent. In the recents, you can actually find your last recorded stuff. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe.